Sana hindi maging katulad mo, tulad mo na may pusong bato. Ngayon, dingin mo'y itong awitin. Baka sakali ika'y magising ang matagis mong damdamin. Di mo lang dahil sa'yo ako'y di makain, hindi rin makatulog buhat nang itong lokohin. Kung ako'y muling iibig, sana hindi rin maging katulad mo, tulad mo na may pusong bato. Like, share, subscribe. Di mo lang dahil sa'yo ako'y di makakain, hindi rin makatulog buhat nang iyo'y lokohin. Kung muling ako'y iibig, sana hindi maging katulad mo, tulad mo na may pusong bato. Di mo lang dahil sa'yo ako'y di makakain, hindi rin makatulog buhat ng iyong lokohin. Kung ako'y muling iibig, sana hindi maging katulad mo, tulad mo na may pusong bato. Tulad mo na may pusong bato. Tulad mo na may pusong bato. Ito ba? Ito gusto ko English. Ate, ba't ito higa mag-solo? Ate, sira na? Ta? Hindi pala naglalak. Babawa pala. Tagal. I don't need a lot things. I can get by with nothing. Of all the blessing life can bring, I need something, but I got all I want it come loving you. You are my only reason, you are only truth. I need like water, like break, like rain. I need you like mercy from Gate, heaven block. Long arms that raise you drawn.
I need you. Magaling po kami kumanta ng English.
You are half the move, the change again. You are the love recalls me when cold we get rage. And it's amazing, cause that just that are. And I can't turn back now. I need like water, like break like the rain. I need like memories from the
Heaven's gate.
There.
There's a freedom in your arms
that carries my dawn. I need you.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, I do. Hey. I need your water, like break the rain. I need you like mercies from heaven gate. There are spring
freedom in your
arms.
arms.
Ah,
The caring
walang ano eh.
river. I need you.
Ito, mas mabilis ah.
Ano yan? Ano yan? So, magaling daw
So,
po kami mag-English. So, ganyan talaga kami mag-English.
ganun po kami kagagaling.
Manang-mana. Matagal na yun.
Cover vision. Version. Hey, version.
Ganyan po talaga kami.
I just called to say I love you. Cover PH. Know your day to celebrate. No chocolate, cover candy heart to give away. No for spring. No song to deceive. Impact her just another ordinary day. No April rain. No flowers blow.
Stars, clouds.
No winds to stay within the month of June. But one is
It is
ay something true. Bilis ng ano?
made up these three words I want to say to you. I just
say I love
you.
I just collect to say I care. I just called
to
to
say I love me, and
I made it
from the
from
bottom
the-
of my heart. No summer height, no,
no
warm
warm
July,
July,
no harvest moon to fly, no tender
August night, no autumn breeze, no peeling leaves,
Falling
Ano eh?
kasi yun.
not even time the birds to fly to southern skies, no libre sun, no hable
wind. Puro na yun ah. No
weaving the
the
Christmas your bring. But I want it those old so new to feel heart like the trees word the ever do.
I just
Say I love you. To say how much I called, I just called to say I love you
And I mean it.
from the bottom of the heart. I just called to say I love
you.
I just called to say much I cord. I just called to say. Paulit-ulit eh ah.
I love
Yung ano na.
you.
Gusto mo. Last one, last one. Asan ba yung mabilis na English?
You belong with me. You belong